Welcome to Yelapa.
Today we're taking you to Yelapa, Mexico, only accessible by boat. Join us as we hike the stunning cascade, the Yelapa Waterfall, and discover the hidden gems of this beautiful village. We are the Stone family. We lived in school buses for the last 3 years and now traveling internationally full-time. We are currently in Puerto Vallarta for 6 weeks and experiencing the super local areas, resorts, and everything in between. Now back to why you're here. Since being here, we befriended one of our Uber drivers, and his name is Carlos. And the advantage of taking an Uber or a taxi to Boca de Tolmantán is that you can stop at some amazing places like this one, the Parque Nacional Marino Los Arcos de Mesaloya. Once you get down to Boca de Tolmantán, you will then find where you can get water taxis, but be careful. So, a little heads up, if you do come here to take a water taxi, as soon as you get out, you're going to get sharked by a bunch of people taking you on private tours.
Yeah.
The prices aren't horrible once you're here, but it just depends on what you want to do. Once we got on the boat taxi, it's about a 20-minute to 30-minute ride to get to Yelapa. And on the way, you get to see the beautiful coastline and even some whales, which we didn't get a shot of, but they're out there. Once you pull up to Yelapa and you're in the bay, you'll see 2 piers. The first pier is going to drop you off at the beach, and the other pier is going to drop you off to where you can explore the town. That's the one that we got off of because we wanted to walk to the waterfall, and here's how you get there. When you get off the pier, you're going to go left and follow this little path through this cool hallway. And there's so many cool things to see, but if you are challenged in the walking area, you can get a horse or even ride an ATV to the top. It is an uphill climb, so be aware. But if you do walk, there are plenty of signs that point you to the waterfall, so it's easy to find. About a 20-minute walk with a 4-year-old toddler who like to look at everything, so there's that. We've made it to the waterfall, and I'm definitely gonna jump in. What do you think, Mom?
I'm loving it. It's beautiful out here. The waterfall and just the peace. I'm enjoying every bit of it, especially being with you guys. That's like everything. I don't care where I was,
So we left the waterfall to go visit and walk around the rest of Yelapa and see what the city had to offer. So this is a really creative way to recycle some bottle caps. Look at this cool artwork here.
Yeah.
And look, it's all made out of plastic bottle caps.
Oh, that is cool.
Let's keep the oceans plastic free.
Let's keep the oceans plastic free. Pretty
Love
cool.
it.
As we were trying to make it to the beach, it was really amazing to see all the sights that Yelapa had to offer. Some of those things that really stood out to us is that there's no roads, incredibly friendly people, and just a lot to see. All right, we are currently lost, and our water taxi's in 1 hour. And of course, we made the mistake of listening to my directions, and I feel like as a family, we should know that that's not the right thing to do, because I've gotten us lost way more than I can count.
Okay, Erica's got it down. This girl knows what to do. Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
No, this.
You know what? When lost, ask directions.
So after Erica gave me this look right here, I asked these donkeys where we should go, and they sent us to this restaurant on the beach right next to the pier, so all we had to do was wait for the taxi. So no beach at Yelapa for us today. We can thank me for that. But we did get to walk a lot around the town part and experience some of the locals.
Which I prefer. There's beaches everywhere.
Yeah, a beach is a beach is a beach kind of thing.
But Yelapa is a really unique town, so.
Yeah, we're here eating at the restaurant.
Okay, speaking of, I have to order.
We definitely recommend the food from this restaurant. Great vegetarian options and something for everybody. And then we hopped on the boat to head back towards home, and Shanti was tired until she saw these fish on a stick.
I want to eat one of those.
One of those?
Oh my goodness.
She really, really wants a fish on a stick. Fish on a stick. Fish, 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 fish on a stick.
Show Daddy the eye.
You're eating it now.
Are you? Really? Oh, we don't.
Our daughter just ate the eyeball of the fish. Sorry I didn't catch it on camera, but it did happen. Yelapa was a success, and if you're curious about other places to go check out, Go watch this video right now.
Right now.
Amanhã você se serve, pega o que quiser. A noite